Welcome you all for today's lecture. Today we are going to discuss about a topic called moral dilemma. I am Sherine Glory, Assistant Professor from Department of Computer Science and Engineering from RMD Engineering College. What do you mean by moral dilemma? At times the situation occurs where one cannot make an immediate decision about what is right, what is wrong. Definitely we will be having a confusion in certain situations which at times we will feel that both are right, both are wrong. So we will not be able to come to an conclusions whether to go right, go towards left or right, or go take this necessary actions or not. So that is about moral dilemma. So situations when you are confronted with conflict among two or more moral considerations, we will not be able to decide to which moral considerations we have to choose. That is about moral dilemmas. So example 1, the hijacked plane with 200 people is approaching a building with 50,000 people. So now we have to take a decision whether we are going to shoot the plane or we are not going to shoot the plane, whether we are going to save the hijacked passengers in the plane or we are going to save the 50,000 people in that building. So we will not be able to conclude an immediate conclusions. We have to discuss a lot. We have to think a lot. Okay, so that is about moral dilemma. So when does this moral dilemma arises? When there is a conflict, when there is a lack of self-confidence, when there is a mental illness, so it arises. So types of moral dilemmas, we have problem of vagueness. So it may be unclear to individuals to which, if any, moral considerations or principles apply to situations. And problem of conflicting reasons, it may be perfectly clear which moral principles apply to one's situations. And the problem of disagreement, reasonable and responsible individuals and group may disagree about how to interpret and apply balanced normal reasons in particular situations. So these are the types of moral dilemmas. So steps in confronting moral dilemmas: to identify the relevant moral factors and reasons, to gather all available facts that are pertinent to the moral factors involved, rank the moral considerations in order of importance, consider alternative courses of actions as ways of resolving the dilemmas, talk with colleagues and seek their suggestions, arrive at carefully reasoned judgments. So these are the steps in confronting the moral dilemma. So whenever dilemmas occurs, we have to follow these steps in order to solve these dilemmas. We can seek help from others, we can arrive carefully reasoned judgments. These are some of the steps we can follow. Thank you.